Good morning, everybody. We just woke up from about a 12-hour sleep.
Yeah, we definitely needed it, didn't we?
Yeah, we set our alarm for 9:30 in the morning, slept right through it. Didn't get out of the room till about 11:30, and it's so busy.
Yeah.
We're like the only English or European people that are staying in this part of Hanoi. It's crazy. Everyone's looking at us. So the plan today is we're going to Train Street, which is the train track in part of Hanoi, the old quarter. Then we're going to go and get some toiletries and some clothes because we're going to Sapa tomorrow and it's quite cold there. It's 13 degrees at the minute.
Most important, right now we're trying to find egg coffee.
Yeah, and an ATM.
Yeah, I seen it on the video last night. I know what I am.
They did. The other company did.
It's cool, isn't it?
So cute.
We are in at this lovely little bar on Train Street. Amazing. Just looking at the menu now, we've ordered 2 egg coffees, which I'm excited to try, and we're also going to get some food. I'm not sure what we're going to get, but the menu looks really nice. So Train Street, it's actually guarded by guards or police now, and you can't get on here apparently without a cafe. Yeah, an accident without a cafe owner actually walking you up to their restaurant. So we literally got out of it, walked around, and someone just said, "Do you want an egg coffee?" And we went, "Yeah," and he took us up here straight away. So there was no problems, but I've read online and watched a few videos where there has been problems. So excited to try this food, and apparently the trains come more often throughout the week, and less frequently on the weekend. The egg coffee. Oh.
And you went to eat it with a spoon, aren't you?
Yeah, that's what we watched anyway on YouTube.
It's like a... No, it's nice, but it's like a... Okay.
Go in again.
Like a dessert, like tiramisu.
Is it?
Like cakey. It's nice though.
So that.
Do you like it?
Oh my god, so that. Fluff.
Yeah.
Marshmallow fluff.
No, it tastes like tiramisu fluff.
Nice that. What did you ask for?
Water.
Got a beer.
With my chopsticks and all.
I got beef and I got chicken.
It's so hot. I can't do it. Here we go.
Oh, she's onto it.
That's loads.
What is it?
No? Chicken noodle soup.
Chicken noodle soup.
Like that. Yeah.
Where did you want your middle finger?
Yeah, I think I'm going to say, but I can't do that.
Come back.
Come like 9 p.m. the train come.
We'll come back at 7 o'clock later. Will you be here?
7 no train.
What time?
9 p.m.
9 p.m.
Really? Here, take picture.
So this time here, 8 o'clock.
8.
8, 9.
No, thank you. Be hot.
What is it? Banana? That banana?
Banana, yeah.
Đó. Gọi nhá.
Đắt hàng lắm như ngày xưa luôn. Thôi, tôi. Chị Linh. Dạ. Chị bảo em thế. Anh bảo năm nay làm gì?
Ramyeon. Oh, what it is? So what?
Don't like it.
I don't know what it is. It's not fish. It was 20,000, which is 75p. But I honestly don't know what it is.
Taste it again.
Like-
I feel like it is fish.
It's not fish. It tastes like potato. I'll go on. Don't know what they are. Like a donut, I think. Right, go. We do not have a clue where we are. We've just been walking pretty much all day. We just stopped off for a beer and now we think we're in like this kind of like downtown, like wholesale type place for all of the restaurant owners and that. There's like live chickens in cages, eels alive, fish alive in like these tiny bowls and just chopping them up in front here on the street. It's crazy. We're getting some weird looks. Where are we? We literally don't know where we are, honestly. Like, take a look at this. Oh God. Go, go, go! Go! Faster, faster! Pull off.
Skills.
Whoa! Well done. Woo!
For you. Need a haircut for you, mate? Sweating. We've just had a massage. It was 13 between us. Adam had a foot massage. I had a back, neck and shoulder massage. They were lovely. And now we've just come back to Train Street. We are going to watch the train come past. Apparently it comes in about 20 minutes. So I hope you enjoy the train coming past. And don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. See you tomorrow.
Oh, get it!